Let's walk together in the nature. There are rolling hills covered in lush green stretched. Lush means very attractive or nice. This road is narrow, it is not wide. A small path branches off to the right here. The road's surface is asphalt. It is wet from the rain. There are fallen leaves to the left and right of the road. You can see the cornfield here. These corn plants are almost as tall as a man. I am walking down. You see the trash can on the right. There is a dirt wall on the right side of the road. That wall is covered with green plants. There's a shack on the left side of the road. Shack is a roughly built cabin. Just in front of that shack, wood is stacked. As you can see, wood is stacked. Stack means arranging something properly. The road curves to the left ahead. The left and right sides of the road are covered with trees. The leaves of the trees are green because it is summer. You can hear the birds chirping. They are singing. There are pine trees right in front of you. Look at this view. It's a wonder of nature. There is a tea plantation up the road. The road is now curving to the left. The road goes to the right here. The road is muddy because it is raining. It is still foggy. Let me show you the forest. The trees are very tall. There is a puddle on the road due to rain. There are trees lining the side of the road. The road turns right. I'm going down here. I am on my way through the greenery. Muddy. Muddy means wet, sticky earth. The road ahead is quite muddy in places. Steep slope. Steep slope means a surface that lies at an angle to the horizontal. We can see the steep slope of the hillside covered in lush green. Branch. Branch is a part of a tree. Dirt is a substance, such as mud or dust. Branches and dirt are scattered along the path. My method is comprehensible input. With this method, your fear goes down, your confidence goes up, and your English becomes more natural, step by step, without memorizing. You feel what the words mean. You hear the tone, the rhythm, the flow. This is a narrow path. It is leading into the forest. The ground is a bit muddy from the rain, remember. Muddy is wet and sticky earth. Lush green grass and ferns cover the sides of the trail. A fern is a flowerless plant. You can see tall trees. They are forming a dense canopy. Canopy. Canopy means a cover for decoration. The leaves are very vibrant. Vibrant. Vibrant means energetic, exciting, and full of enthusiasm. You are seeing the tea plant right now. Let's walk along this natural trail. Trail. Trail means a path through a countryside, mountain, or forest area. The path continues to be winding and secluded. Winding. A winding path, road, river, etc. repeatedly turns in different directions. Secluded. Secluded means quiet, private, and not near people, roads, or buildings. The atmosphere here feels very quiet and cool. We can observe the ancient trees of the forest. Ancient. Ancient means having lasted for a very long time. I am continuing on the narrow road. It will soon split into two. I am continuing on the right side. An expansive panorama of the valley unfolds before us. Expansive. If something expansive, it covers a large area. Panorama. Panorama means a view of a wide area. Hills are covered in green trees and tea fields. Hill. Hill is an area of land that is higher than the surrounding land. Distant houses of a sprawling village appear through the hazy mist. Sprawling. Sprawling is an adjective in this case. When something is sprawling, it is covered with buildings across a large area. The sky is light and cloudy, but it still creates a breathtaking view. Breathtaking. Breathtaking means extremely exciting, beautiful, or surprising. I am going down the steps. The steps are made of concrete. On the right, you see the roof of a house. Roof is made of sheet metal. You can see a vast expanse of tea plantation. It is literally a green paradise. It is a plum tree. A plum is a small, round fruit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.